Face mask detection in AI Connect. To create a program to detect if the person in the image is wearing a face mask or not, create a project in AI Connect. Create AI coding activity in this project. Then, follow the given steps. Step 1. Drag and drop load image block from facial features subcategory, mentioned under AI learning category. Step 2. Attach if do block from logic category. This block is used as the conditional block. If condition is satisfied, it gives the output as mentioned in the do part. Otherwise, it gives the output mentioned in the else part. Step 3. Attach equal to block from logic category inside the if do block. Step 4. Attach get nose count block from facial features subcategory to the left end of equal to block. This block is used to detect a person's nose. Step 5. Similarly, attach numeric block 0 block from input category to the right end of equal to block. If the person is wearing a mask, then his or her nose will not be displayed. So, the nose count will be 0. Otherwise, the person is not wearing the mask. Step 6. Click on Setting button of If Do block and add Else block to it. Step 7. Add the Print block from Output category in Do portion of If Do block. Add Input block from Input category inside the Print block and type Mask worn in it. Similarly, add Print block in Else portion. In it, add Input block and type No mask. Step 8. Attach Show image with border block from Facial features subcategory. By this block, an outline will appear over the part of the image that is selected in the coding in the output. Step 9. Click on the image icon of the Load Image block to load an image from your computer or click it using a webcam. Step 10. Click on Browse to browse an image from computer or click on Capture to capture an image using webcam. Select the image and click on Submit button. Click on Run button to see the output of the program.